Hi, today I am going to show you how to add new password user in iLock 18. First, click on the door lock you want to set PIN. Select user from the menu. Click on the plus sign and select password user. Key in user detail and assign a password. Select validity for this user PIN. You can also set recurrent password which only access on certain day of the week and time. Click the save icon to enroll the code to the door lock. Enroll success, you can start to access with your new PIN. When the lock open, you will receive a notification from the app. Unlock history can be viewed in the activity section of the app. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoy the smart lock.